Dear children, let us proceed for C, filling the blanks. So we have few filling the blanks to answer. So let us read it. Dash comes after 198. So they are asking after. After number you should write. So 98 after number is what? 98 after 99. Okay. So our answer should be 199. See, 1 at hundreds place, 98 after is 99. Here comes before. Remember, before. Before 79 is what? Before 79, 78. So, 278. Now, dash comes before. See, 65 before 64. That is 764. Dash comes after. After. 94 after 95, 895. Dash comes between 300 and 302. Okay, between what? 300 is here, dash 302. So, between 0 afterwards is what? 1. So, between 300 and 302, what comes? 301. So, our answer is 301. Dash comes between 444 and 446. 444 dash 446. So 44 afterwards what? 445. Yes or no? So let us write here 445. Dash comes after 599. So 99 afterwards what? 100. So 500 afterwards what? 600. So our answer is 600. They have asked after children. Okay, here between. Okay. Now, dash comes before 900. 900 before. 900 before means double zero. That is 900 is 900. Before 900 is what? That is 899. Okay. This is 100. One addition here will become 900. So, before that what was there? 899. Okay. 397 comes between dash and dash. So dash and dash. Here 397 itself. So 97 before is what? 96. 390. And 97 after is what? 398. Yes or no? So let us write here between numbers 396 and 398. 998 comes between dash and dash. So 998 comes between which numbers? We have 98 comes between 997 and 999. Okay? Did you follow this 10 filling the blanks? Very good. So I think you have understood the before, after and between numbers correctly. Children, let's learn now how to put the correct sign. We have 3 signs. This sign is called greater than. Okay? This is less than. And this is equals to. What is the use of greater sign? When any number is bigger, the sign's mouth is open to the greatest side. And when it sees the less number, the sign's mouth is turned to the next side. So, the mouth is closed. Okay, we can say greater than, less than. So, see here, the mouth is open, that is greater than. This side mouth is closed, it is less than. And this is called equals to. When both are equal. Now 5 fingers, 5 fingers. These 5 fingers, both are equal. I have 2 chalks in this and 2 chalks in this hand. These both are equal. Yes, you know what are equal? What are equal meaning? Equal meanings means the both sides it should be same. So like that, the both sides it should have same numbers. So let us see here the numbers. Here A 236 and this side 49. So this number has 3 digits. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. And this side 2 digits. Ones and tens. Now here 3 digits and here 2 digits. So obviously which side will be greater, children? 3 digits or 2 digits? It is 3 digits will be greater. So obviously greater sign. Let us put here greater sign. The sign's mouth is open to the greater number and closed to the smallest number. Let us move here. Here 3 digits, here also 3 digits. Now what we should do? Let us start comparing the places. So let us start from hundreds place. 8 and 7. Okay, from the hundreds place you should start, okay, comparing. Then now compare 8 and 7. Which number is big? 8 or 7? 8 is big. So we can say 809 is the greatest number and 709 is the smallest number. So let us put here the greater sign. 809 is greater, so the mouth is open. 709 is smaller, so the mouth is closed. Here, let us compare 4, 4. See, I am comparing from the hundreds place. Remember, keep this in your mind. Here, both the digits are same. Now, what we need to do? When both are same, we cannot say which is greater, which is smaller. Or else you can't put equal to also. Don't make that mistake. We should compare all the 3 places first. Understood? Now come to 4. Equal means next place you come. That is 5 and 6. And compare this tens place. 5 here, 6 that side. So which is greater? 5 or 6? 6 is greater. No children? 464 is greater and 459 is smaller, lesser. So 459 is lesser. We have put a lesser sign. Can you see? Yes. Now compare this. 6, 6, same. So go to the next place. 7, 9. Now compare 7 and 9. 9 is greatest and 7 is the lesser number. So let us put, okay, lesser sign. Lesser sign this side, greater number is that side. Now here compare 1, 1. Same. Next compare 0, 2. Which is greatest? 2 is greatest, 0 is less. So our sign will be this way. Because 0 is less, lesser sign. 100 is less, 121 is the greater number. Let us compare children next number 5, 5. Same children. Let us move to the next number. Again same number we have in tens place 5, 5. No problem. Let us move to the ones place and check 5 and 8. Other numbers same? No. So let us compare. Whether 5 or 8 is greater. Children, what do you think so? Which is greater? 8 is greater, no children, and 5 is lesser. So let us put the lesser sign. So 555 is lesser, 558 is greater. Let us come here. 5, 5, same. 8, 7, different. But which is greater? 8 or 7? 8 is greater. So now we can say 580 is greater. So our sign is greatest. Understood? Let us do this. Here you see 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Before comparing, check the digits. When the digits are less or more, immediately you can say which is greatest. Now 2-digit or 3-digit? 3-digit is greatest. So 2-digit is less. See? So fast we understood, yes or no? Very good. Let us move here. Compare 9, 9, same. 0, 0, same. 0, 0, same. This number, same. Which sign? Greater sign? Lesser sign? No. Which sign? Our equals to. Understood? We have 900 equals to 900. Compare to the next one. 7, 7. No. 6, 6. Same. No. 3, 0. Which is greatest? 3 or 0? 3 is greatest. So let us put the greatest sign and say 763 is greater than 716. I think you followed the exercises. So practice this in your notebook and copy down neatly in your textbook. Okay? Do well. Thank you.